Hello and welcome back to my channel Create with Lulu. Today I'm going to be setting up like a new sort of scrapbooking journal for 2022 and I just thought I would show you how I'm doing it. So I'm going to show you how I did this cover page and then my first page in this journal. I'm just going to use this journal to kind of keep memories and different fun things. If you like these types of videos, please subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. First off, I'm just going to light a candle and then firstly, I am going to cover this whole front of the notebook with stickers. So I love collecting stickers or making stickers on my Cricut machine, and so I'm just going to cover the whole notebook with stickers just for something cute. So this one I actually made on my Cricut, but then some of the other ones I've just collected from different places or different things that people have sent me. And this is just like a $7 bullet journal from Michael's. I'll try and find it and link it down below in this sort of dark gray color. And yeah, so once I've covered the front of this notebook with stickers, we'll jump right into it. Okay, now I'm just adding the final sticker on my notebook, and there it is. I think it turned out super cute and I love how it looks. So now we're going to open it up, and I just ripped out the two first pages because they had like a bunch of boxes and lines on them and I didn't really want to use them. So first I'm just going to make like a little page to write like this journal belongs to. So I'm just ripping some craft paper. I'm kind of going for like a vintagey scrapbooking theme feel. So yeah, I just ripped up a bunch of different papers and stickers and things and put them together to kind of collage them for this spread, and I'll try and find everything that I used and link it down below. I do know that the gold stickers I will be using for my name are from the Dollar Tree, and the more vintagey looking stickers are from Stationery Pal. Oh, and I also love using these gold clips that are from Stationery Pal to help hold the pages down so they don't move around when I'm pasting stuff in. Now I'm just adding the cute stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree in to spell my name. And I'm adding a few little white sparkles and dots with my white gel pen. And I love these vintage stickers so much. They are so cool, and they're really like thin and papery, and they look super awesome on the paper, so I'll try and find them and link them down below. I definitely recommend them. Okay, now we are moving on to my first spread. So I went to Zion National Park not too long ago, and so I just like to collect different postcards or different fun memories from the places I've been. So I just saved my shuttle ticket, and I'm going to paste that into here, and a really pretty postcard that I got. So I'm just scrapbooking some paper and washi tape and stickers and different things, and then I'll just write maybe the favorite things I did there or the hikes that I did, and yeah. Now I'm just going to trim the excess off the side of the pages, add a few pieces of washi tape and stickers, and that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here's how the front of my notebook turned out. I love it. It is so cute, and it makes me so happy every time I look at it. And then we have the inside. And then we have where I wrote what the journal belongs to, and I added some really cute stickers and washi tape and did some collaging. And then we have like our first spread, you could call it, and I'll just write my favorite things that we did on this trip and maybe my favorite hikes that we went on. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any other video ideas, please let me know in the comments down below. I love making videos that you guys like as well. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you like to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you in my next video. Bye.